for growth stocks. If I am going to build that 20% portfolio, that's for my equities portfolio, I have a bias in the usual big cap names, your SMs, your BDOs, your ICTs, because these are the names that are being bought by the foreign. So just in case that foreign funds go back into the market, this would be the same names that would be bought first by the foreign. So kung gusto mong hindi maiwan or gusto mong makasabay doon sa liquidity na yon, sa flows na yon, gusto mo syempre you have these names in your portfolio. And then kung ano man ang matira sa portfolio mo, like let's say half of your 20%, dyan na ako maglalagay for the growth names. No? Now, sure, you can outperform the market by being exposed in tier 2 names. I'm talking about the second half of your portfolio. Pero kasi, um, when you put your money in your usual big cap names, again, the names that are being bought by the foreign, it's as if securing already your equities portfolio. It's as if saying that whatever these foreign funds are buying, these are the same names that I have in my portfolio. And therefore, hindi maiiwan yung iyong portfolio as the equity